Hey y'all, Bobby Stein. Today I thought we would go over the Greenville Bridge and then go under it, see if we could catch some towboats. But the bridge was named the Jesse Brent Memorial Bridge, its official name, and it carries U.S. Highway 82 across the Mississippi River between Greenville, Mississippi and Arkansas. It opened to traffic on August 4th, 2010, replacing the older Benjamin G. Humphreys Bridge. Some notable facts about the bridge: it's a cable-stayed bridge with two towers over 400 feet tall. The total bridge length is about 13,560 feet. The main span measures 1,378 feet, allowing large barge tows to pass more safely beneath it. When it opened, it was the fourth largest cable-stayed bridge in North America. And who was Jesse Brent? Jesse Brent, 1912 to 1982, was one of the most influential figures in the development of the Mississippi River towing industry, and he played a major role in making Greenville known as the towboat capital of the world. His career began at 18. He worked as a deckhand for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. In the 1940s, he helped establish Greenville's first towing company. In 1956, he founded Brent Towing Company, which grew from one towboat and two barges into one of the nation's largest privately owned towing companies. At its height, the company operated more than 20 towboats and dozens of barges while employing hundreds of people. Jesse Brent's impact extended beyond his own company. He helped organize and later chair the American Waterways Operators, served on the board of the National Waterways Conference, and encouraged other companies to establish operations in Greenville, helping create thousands of jobs tied to the river industry. So we're under the bridge now, and I'm looking, hoping I can see some towboats. Well, let's send the drone up to see if we can see anything. As it comes to be, no towboats on this stretch of the river today at this time. So I'll just get some shots of the bridge. And this is looking south over the bridge. There's a little better shot. Now let's turn around. That's a shot of Harlow's Casino. And let's look north. That's looking northward. The sandbar in the middle of the river, when the water's low, it extends all the way over to the right, which makes for a narrower channel. Panning back towards the south. Now I'm thinking, well, maybe I should try to go under the bridge and get some shots under the bridge. But the wind's gusting today, probably about 15 to 20 miles an hour. And I'm not sure I want to do that. So about this point, I think, well, maybe it's time to go back. I'm always nervous flying the drone over the river. I'm afraid something's going to malfunction and I'll lose it to the river. But anyway, I wanted to ask the towboat pilots and captains that navigate the river around Greenville, do y'all have any stories about trying to navigate under the old Greenville Bridge? I know it was a lot closer, and it was probably a lot harder to set up the boat to go under the bridge. But do y'all have any stories you'd like to share about going under the old bridge? Okay, about this time I decided, well, it's time to go back. And so my remote control for my drone has got a button on it. I just hit it and it'll automatically return the drone to where it took off from. It uses GPS. It's hot out today. It's in the 90s and there's about a 15 or 20 mile wind blowing. So it's not a real good day to be droning. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video and we'll see you next video.